Google's Chrome team dropped their top 3 AI tooling picks from I/O 2026. I re-ranked the list after running it against 1,200 headless Chrome jobs a month in production, and their ranking is upside down. If you run Chrome for scrapers, PDF renderers, or invoice bots, you're getting sold the wrong headline. I'll show you which update Google put at number 1 that did nothing for my pipeline, and which one they buried at 3 that killed a bug I'd fought for 6 months. Most recaps grade these for app builders. Nobody grades them for automation. I run this stack daily for clients. Here's the re-ranked list. Quick setup on what Google actually announced. 3 items in their Chrome AI tooling recap from I/O Tooling 26. Number 1. Modern web guidance. Basically curated best practices the browser now surfaces to help you build cleaner SPAs. Number 2. DevTools support for agents. Tighter Chrome DevTools protocol hooks so autonomous agents can drive the browser more reliably. Number 3. AI assistance inside DevTools itself, meaning the panel can now reason about failures it sees in the Network tab, the console, and the rendering pipeline. Google ranked them by developer excitement. I ranked them by what changed in a production pipeline overnight. Different list entirely. Start with their number 1, modern web guidance. If you're spinning up a greenfield single-page app, sure, useful. For anyone running Chrome as an automation runtime, rendering invoices, scraping tables, generating reports, it's noise. My pipeline doesn't consume web guidance. It consumes rendered pixels and downloaded PDFs. Impact on my stack, 0. Their number 2, DevTools for agents. This is legitimately good work. Tighter CDP semantics, better session handling, cleaner error surfaces when an agent misclicks. But if you already have a working CDP setup that's been pinned and stable for a year, the delta is marginal. Nice to have on the next refactor, not a reason to redeploy today. Now their number 3, which is my number 1. AI assistance inside DevTools. In a small invoicing operation I run for a client, roughly 1,200 PDF invoices a month get rendered through headless Chrome. For 6 months, about 3% of them shipped corrupted. Missing glyphs, half-rendered totals, one column bleeding into the next. 36 broken invoices a month, which meant a human catching them, rerunning them, sometimes reissuing them. 4 hours a week of manual cleanup baked into the ops cost. After I/O 2026, I opened DevTools on a failing render, hit the AI assistance panel, and it flagged a font loading race condition. The custom font was resolving after the initial paint, so the layout engine measured with a fallback, laid out the page, and then swapped in the real font without reflowing. The AI panel pointed straight at the network waterfall, showing the font arriving late, and suggested the exact preload hint I was missing. One line change in the HTML template. The 3% corruption rate went to 0. 4 hours a week back. So here's my re-ranked list for anyone running Chrome in production. Number 1. AI assistance in DevTools, because it turns your browser into a debugger that reads your waterfall for you and catches the class of bugs that only show up in production traffic. If you run Chrome in production and want this kind of update graded by automation impact instead of developer hype, see the real systems we ship for clients at BizflowAI.io. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next Dev News Breakdown finds you.